Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to take active photo on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then swipe like this, and here you can find this active photos section, so you can set it to on or auto. So now let's take some active photo. I don't know, just gonna take a photo of the moving flower. So now, like, this looks like a normal picture, but when you hold your finger on it, it will slightly move. Check it out. So yeah, that's how active photos work. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.